In this video, we'll show how to use a function notation when working with a function given algebraically. So here we have a function which is reciprocal of x plus 4, and in part A, we ask to find or simplify the following, which means we have to evaluate the function at 0. So reading the function notation correctly means whenever I see x in the definition of a function, I will replace it with the given input. So f of 0 means we plug in 0 for x, and the answer is 1/4. In part B, we are asked to do the same but with -3. So instead of x, I plug in -3, and the answer is 1/1, which is 1. In part C, again, we asked to perform the same task, that is to evaluate the function at -5, and we do it in exactly the same way. So the answer is -1. Now in part D, we actually asked to evaluate the function at x squared. Since x squared is not a value but a variable expression, we won't be able to find the numerical output, but we'll be able to produce a new variable expression that corresponds to the output of this function for x squared. So how do we do that? We simply replace x in the definition of the function with x squared. So this variable expression is the output when the input is x squared. So we label it as f of x squared. In part E, we again are asked to plug in something but a number, and this time it's x squared plus 1. So once again, I replace x in the definition of the function with x squared plus 1. In part F, we are asked to write this new expression, part of which is written in function notation. So first, I have to find f of x squared, which we already did, and then I add 1. So the point of this exercise is just to show you that f of x squared plus 1, it's not the same as f of x squared plus 1. And to see the differences, you just have to understand the function notation.